How I'd make my first million with online business if I had to start over. If I lost everything tomorrow, no money, no connections, no audience, here's exactly how I'd make my first $1 million using nothing but Wi-Fi and work. What if I told you there are people right now, some as young as 18, making $50,000, $100,000, even $1 million in a year? All from an online business they built it in their bedroom, no fancy degree, no rich parents, just the right strategy. Most people overcomplicate online business. They chase shiny objects, buy into scams, or worse, spend years getting ready, but never actually start. This video is different. It's the real blueprint. The one I wish I had when I was broke, stuck, and hungry for change. I'll never forget this moment. When I was 22, sitting in my bedroom staring at my bank balance, $47, and rent was due in 5 days. I had no backup plan. That night, something clicked. I realized no one was coming to save me, so I went all in on building a digital business. I failed at dropshipping, tried affiliate marketing, and made $20 in 3 months. But then something changed. I discovered the power of value, service, and systems. That's when the path to my first million became clear. Every $1 million online journey follows 3 phases. You can't skip steps. You have to earn the right to scale. The 3 phases of online wealth. Phase 1, brand plus build assets. Start building a content brand like starting Shopify store for $29 per month or a YouTube channel for $0. Phase 2, learn plus launch. Pick one skill: copywriting, email marketing, video editing, SEO. Launch it as a freelance offer. Use Upwork, cold DMs, or Twitter to get first clients. Phase 3, automation. Make money while you sleep, e.g., dropshipping, digital products. Let's break down the 5 online business models that actually work in 2026. Each of these can lead you to $1 million, but only if you focus on one. These are the 5 online businesses that actually work in 2026. Model 1, e-commerce, Shopify, Amazon FBA. Product first, brand focused, scale with paid traffic. Example, a kid selling customized water bottles for $40, scaling to $1 million per year. Model 2, content, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, monetization, brand deals. Mr. Beast started with $0. Now he makes $50 million per year. Model 3, digital products, templates, online courses, ebooks, automation tools. High margins, but you need audience or ads. Model 4, affiliate marketing. Promote others' products. Build niche sites or email lists. Promote tools. Get recurring commissions. Example, promoting ClickFunnels can earn you $100,000 per month. Model 5, freelancing, copywriting, web design. Charge $5,000 per month per client. No degree needed. Here's exactly what to do in the next 90 days to start. First month, setup. Pick a niche, learn one high-income skill, build a simple landing page and portfolio. Second month, get clients outreach, 30 to 50 people per day. Offer free value to land testimonials, price your offer at $500 to $2,000. Month 3, stack and systemize. Outsource delivery, hire or use AI tools, automate onboarding and payment. Create repeatable client systems. Your goal isn't perfection, it's momentum. The first $1,000 is the hardest. After that, it compounds. Deadly mistakes and how to avoid them. I've seen thousands of people who failed and quit. Because of 2 mistakes, don't be one of them. Mistake number 1, waiting for perfect. Meet my friend Jake. He spent 6 months perfecting his e-commerce store, testing 50 different logos, rewriting product descriptions 100 times. Meanwhile, his competitor Sarah launched her store in a weekend. Ugly product photos, basic descriptions. But guess what? Sarah made $10,000 in her first month while Jake was still picking colors. By the time Jake launched, Sarah had already scaled to $100,000. Perfection is the enemy of profit. The market doesn't reward pretty. It rewards fast. Launch now, improve later. Mistake number 2, quitting before the breakthrough. Here's the painful truth. Most online businesses fail because people quit right before they're about to win. I had a student, Alex, who was dropshipping fitness gear. After 3 months of losing $1,000 on ads, he gave up. But I checked his data. His ROAS was just starting to improve. If he'd held on 2 more weeks, he would have hit profitability. A year later, someone else copied his exact product and made $2 million. The difference between millionaire and a poor is that he tried one more time than the poor. You're not too late. You're not too old. You're just one decision away from building the life you want. Pick one step from today and do it in the next 24 hours. Comment, what is your business idea? Subscribe for more step-by-step strategy and share this with someone who needs it. I'll see you at the next video, inshallah.